when we went to Kazakhstan, it was a total different thing. It was a village, a town, which was full of prisoners. It was a prisoner town, but the prisoners were Russian, Ukrainians, Uzbeks, Kazakhs, all sorts of people, but they were all criminals for some reason or other. Some of them were criminals because they said something against the government or for no particular reason. But they were all prisoners in this town, and you couldn't really, there were no fences, but they didn't need a fence. There was one train and that's it. And you couldn't go anywhere, so. And the steps were wide open. And we were given a house made out of mud. And it was an apartment. It had actually a bedroom and another room with a stove in it. But you had to have wood and matches and stuff to make a flame to boil water. There was one pot. So, but, and life was different there. In a sense, they had a school, which I attended. And by that time I spoke Russian fluently, so that I could be a student in that school. And as the Germans progressed towards the inland in Russia and went close to Moscow, the people who were not suitable for war were permitted to go to the hinterland. So, since there were very many people who came to Kazakhstan, we landed 5 teachers from Moscow. And I was absolutely delighted because they were very good teachers, and we had the geometry and mathematics and sciences, organic, inorganic chemistry, and biology, and you name it, and they had it. So the class, and Russian schools are much stricter than in the United States, and students really have to study, and behavior is very, very important, and everybody behaves in class. Even though there were children of prisoners, and you don't know who was the real prisoner or not, it was a very good school. So I benefited from that.